Quality. Dcbs, quality. Dcbs, quality. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Dcbs, yeah. Wagwan people, Wagwan T-Zippers, Wagwan General. So this is a quick one, and we're going to look into messages from the Divine Masculine. So messages from the DM to the DF, okay? So messages from the Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine. And we've got this deck here where there's some messages from the Divine Masculine, physical characteristics, hobbies and interests, things that they want to say to you right now. So we're just going to have a look and see what messages, okay, do the collective need to hit. There's someone coming in with this energy. You know, maybe they wear their hair in a straight hair texture, okay, or they may have straight hair. This could be you, or the person on your mind, okay. The Divine Masculine wants to share right now, your energy inspires me to do better and to be a better person. Let's see what else wants to come out, okay? Let's see what else wants to come out from this person. Let's see what else. Ooh, there could be an outdoor adventurer, so they could enjoy the outside. Let's see what else they want to say. Ooh, we've got two here. The thought of you, the thought of being without you is something that I have worried about. Okay, so this could be somebody in your current, I feel like this could be a current situation, or there's somebody, it could be like a recent ex, or somebody where there's kind of been maybe some kind of like separation, or some kind of situation here, but there's a strong energy of like missing you and reconciliation. You're the missing piece that completes the puzzle of my life. You're the missing piece. Okay, so this Divine Masculine is really trying to come through with these messages. Let's see what else they want to tell you. Ooh, look at the energies just flowing. A movie buff or a cinephile. I feel like this could be, perhaps you have lots of memories of watching things together. They could also like enjoy watching like movies and things. Okay, this feels like it wants to pop out. They could be an avid sports fan, and it could be like a Pacific team. Okay, let's see what else this Divine Masculine wants to say. I wish I could express how much you mean to me. I wish I could express. Okay. Woo! Strong and capable hands. So this person may come across very, I feel like this Divine Masculine, they could be like in their physique, come across very strong. Okay, but it says capable hands. Okay. There's, let us know, put it in the comments, because this is like quick messages here. Okay, but there's definitely lots of messages wanting to come out. Your smile and laughter is like music to me. I love looking at your smile and seeing your smile. So we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb to see what else the Jamaican proverb wants to give us an additional clue to see what's going on with this person. Okay, let's have a look. What's going on here with this Divine Masculine wanting to share all these messages with you. Okay, we have, if you get your hand in a devil mouth, take it out. Okay, if you get your hand in a devil mouth, take it out. This is a Jamaican proverb. Now I feel like this Divine Masculine may have I feel like this is okay, let's go through the Jamaican proverb is, if you get your hand in a devil's mouth, take it out. So this could be like dealing with difficult people, perhaps some kind of toxic environment. Okay, be careful, be cautious in getting out of it. Difficult situations, seek help where you can. Now I feel like this could be, these messages are coming from a Divine Masculine who may have kind of played the fool in the past. Let's say that played the fool in the past. Perhaps it could be with the company, it could be the environment that they were in. Perhaps it could also be some cheating going on, and I feel like this person is now realizing what they've done, and they can see now they were prioritizing the wrong things. And I feel like it's almost like they want to come and tell you, Divine Feminine, that it's your energy that has inspired them to do better, to be better. Okay, this is what I feel like. It's a strong energy of them wanting to come forward and tell you your energy has helped them to be and do better. Be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. Okay, so in the Jamaican way, be ready with your hat. Be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. Okay, this simply means, okay, watch your money transactions. Don't be scammed. Okay, so taking some time to do some due diligence. Now I feel like this could be a divine masculine could be really coming forward, trying to tell a divine feminine. Okay, and I feel like this could be you, that perhaps there could have been some friends, there could have been some people that they were around, and they're now seeing them for who they are, and they want to come and tell you. And I feel like this is their highest self really trying to communicate with you right now and tell you what has been going on with their life. Okay, so we're going to pull out a tarot and see what additional message the tarot wants to tell the collective, okay, at this moment of time. So what the divine masculine wants to tell the divine feminine. Can we have some clarifications, please? Ooh, okay. The sun. The sun. They realize now it's your energy. Your energy has opened them up, and it's opened them up to see. Like look at the sun, the energy of the sun, but we see the sunflower. Now the message I'm getting is to see it as like an eye. It's like it's opened them up to see. And I feel like this is something that they're now like, they're seeing it now, but they're trying to see how they can come out of this situation to come back towards you. Because let's see what their true intentions are for you, because these are just quick messages. What are their true intentions towards you? The Ten of Cups. This is what they want, but they know they've got to put in the work. They know they've got to do. They know what they've got to get themselves together before they come towards you. But I feel like these are messages that they want to share with you right now. Okay, that your energy inspires me to do better and be a better person. So to the collective, okay, take the messages that resonate, leave the rest. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Part 1. It simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay, do have a look at all the other readings that we have. We have pick a card readings, all signs. Okay, and on the live tab we also have some summer of love readings available on the live tab. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Gwan, Tarot and Tea, and I'll see you on the next one. Gwan.